Hey, I'm Taylor Basso with Sunseeker Yachts, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to take you on board the stunning Sunseeker Yachts 65 Sport Yacht. And there's really no better place to start than here, admiring the profile and sporty, clean lines that really make this yacht stand out. From the bow, you can appreciate one of the many outdoor entertaining spaces on board, with artful detailing in the upholstery, electronic controls, and built-in stainless steel cup holders. Notice here the single piece of black molding that runs all the way along the foredeck, up over the coach roof, and over the aft end of the superstructure. This line defines the vessel's aerodynamic design and mimics the lines that wind will take across the top of the boat when you're cruising at speeds up to 35 nautical miles per hour. This line also defines my favorite exterior feature of this boat, which is the stunning floor-to-ceiling windows, which stand several inches taller than myself and offer uninterrupted views of your surroundings while flooding the salon with natural light. The aft cockpit is a great space that begs to be enjoyed, with a massive sun pad that accommodates 2 to 3 people, forward-facing dining with a fold-out table ideal for cocktails or for full-service dining. At the aft end, we have a hydraulic tender garage, which accommodates a 10-foot Williams jet tender, and a hydraulic swim platform, which can accommodate a jet ski or a second tender if desired. But the key to this stern is the artful way that this teak runs down the cockpit and curves down each of the steps, making the aft end view one of the most appealing angles of the 65 Sport Yacht design, and that is saying something. On our way back in, you'll notice a staircase that takes you up to the Sport Yacht bridge, which we will get to at the end. 2 bar stools on our left swivel inwards, connecting the 2 spaces with a hydraulic window, and a 4-panel, fully telescoping cockpit door, which seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces on board. The portside galley is seamlessly integrated into the design with thoughtful features and ample storage, and across the way you have a stunning piece of furniture with inlaid stone that artfully conceals your refrigeration space on board, ideal for long-range cruising. Carrying on forward, now you can fully appreciate that expansive glass that we could see as we walked down the side deck, and just look at the natural light it brings into this area. It is truly incredible. As a custom Sun Country spec, we've included thoughtful accent light features throughout this boat, both inside and out, which you can see illustrated here in the ceiling detailing. It's small, thoughtful touches like this that elevate the overall feel of the boat from something that is impressive to something that is absolutely incredible. At the main helm, we have a real step forward in design, simplified down to these 2 Volvo Penta screens, which give you engine information, navigation information. Even all the boat's systems, including air conditioning, lighting, etc., are all included on these 2 touchscreens. And as an homage to the heritage of the Sport Yacht design, right in the center of the helm here, we have 2 classic round instruments, which are multi-function displays for speed, depth, rudder angle, etc., that pull inspiration from the dashboard of the supercar sitting in your garage. A side window and sunroof continue the theme of synchronizing outdoor and indoor space and offer you that fresh air, wind in your hair feeling, even from within the cockpit. A massive, double-curved, unobstructed windshield glass provides an amazing view out, which offers unmatched visibility from the helm seat. Down below, the landing opens up all the way to the windshield, which makes this below-deck space feel absolutely palatial and, again, flooded with natural light. In this special ordered layout, we have a master cabin ensuite aft, a VIP cabin ensuite forward, and then we have a twin cabin ensuite on the starboard side. And then, incredibly, we actually have a day head as well. Just incredible space. But there's another added bonus as we head aft towards the master stateroom. We pass through one of my favorite spaces on board, which is the master stateroom's private office, offering a quiet space of focus and reflection. As we enter the master, we have massive built-in credenzas on both port and starboard, which offer endless amounts of storage. This highly intentional spec lends a delicate balance of colors, textures, and surfaces that you really have to experience to appreciate just how much these choices work to elevate the overall feeling of luxury within this space. And forward on the starboard side, we have the master ensuite with a real balance of stone and wood and a great-sized walk-in waterfall shower. And you can see within this space that it is a sport yacht that lives exceptionally well. It is a testament to Sunseeker's ingenuity that you could have this stunning, low-profile silhouette that we saw from the outside and yet still have so much space, living accommodation, entertaining space you can get inside this boat. Moving forward to the VIP cabin, you pass back through the lobby with great height and natural light, and into a beautifully detailed forward cabin with ample headroom, a great-sized bed, generous wardrobe space, and accent lighting throughout. And as we mentioned, a private ensuite for comfort and privacy of your guests on board. Then from the lobby again, starboard side, we enter the twin cabin, again with stunning detailing, television, impressive headroom, and access forward into the ensuite. Even as the smallest stateroom on board, this cabin still offers generous and comfortable space for the enjoyment of your guests on board. Now let's go on up to appreciate what I would consider to be the key feature of the 65 Sport Yacht, the Sport Bridge. The statement piece staircase balances fashion and function as it leads up through a carbon fiber hatch with stainless steel detailing, and you ascend up onto what is almost hidden from the profile view of the superstructure, but is a great space with supercar-inspired helm seating and steering wheel. Again, you've got the round multifunction display, Garmin screens, all the state-of-the-art technology you would expect on a vessel of this caliber. And to increase the already dominant sporty nature of the 65 Sport Yacht, you also have the option to adjust the steering wheel into the dynamic upright position for better visibility while maneuvering and docking the boat. Aft, the Sport Bridge provides another 2 to 3 person functional sun pad for guests to enjoy while accompanying you underway. The functionality of the Sport Bridge truly makes you feel integrated with the yacht when you're driving it. It is like a sports car. You are absolutely connected with the boat, and it's an amazing experience driving it. Explanation doesn't quite do it justice, so if this is something